In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off simple mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then scroll down to click on Lock Screen and Wallpaper. Now you need to tap on Simple Mode and click on gray switcher next to Simple Mode to activate it. Following that, select Trade Now at the bottom and wait. As you can see, Easy Mode was successfully enabled. If you want to disable it, you need to click on Settings over here and select Exit Simple View at the bottom. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!